Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebraic expression. So we have 5 to the power of 11 minus 3 square. So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here I can write into the simplified form by step explanation. Okay, so here first we rewrite this expression as we have this is 5 to the power of 11. So we write it as 5 to the power of 10 plus 1, and this is our 3 square, and we know that 3 square is equals to 9. So here you remember one thing is that here we no need to use the calculator. We solve this problem without using the calculator. Okay, so now here we use the exponential law. We know that if you have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So according to this exponential law, we break this exponent and we write it as 5 to the power of 10 into 5 to the power of 1 minus this is our 9, and we write this 9 as minus 5 and minus 4. And now you see here we have 5 with a common term on these two terms, so that we write this expression as after taking the common 5, we write it as 5 times of 5 to the power of 10 minus here we get 1, and this is our minus 4. And now after this step here we again rewrite this expression as 5 into we have this is 5 to the power of 10, and we write it as 5 to the power of 5 and its whole square. We know that 5 times of 2 gives us 10, and this is minus 1, and we write this 1 as 1 square because 1 square gives us again 1, and this is minus 4. And now after this step here we need a nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So now we use this nice formula to solve the above algebraic expression. So here after applying this formula, our above expression is written as 5 to the power of 5 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 5 plus 1, and this is minus 4. And after this step now we focus on the term 5 to the power of 5. So here we know that the value of 5 to the power of 5 we write it as 5 to the power of 5 is equals to 5 times of 5 times of 5 times of 5 times of 5. So when you multiply this 5 times of 5 without the calculator, you can just easily multiply these numbers by the traditional way, so that when we multiply 5 to 5 times, then you get here 3125. Okay, so it means that now we replace this 5 to the power of 5 is equals to 3125, so that our above expression is written as 5 into 3125 minus 1 and 3125 plus 1, and this is our minus 4. Okay, so here we need to just subtract and add the 1 on both of these terms, and it is written as 5 into 3124, and in this case we have 3126, and this is our minus 4. And now after that here we break these two numbers in this form. 5 into we write this as 3100 and plus 24, and we write this number as 3100 and plus 26. Okay, so 3100 and minus 3100 plus 24, 3100 plus 26, and this is minus 4. And now after this step we need more simplified form of this expression, so we write it as 5 into, we have, this is 3100, and we write it as 31 is multiplied by 100, then you get 3100, and this is plus 24. Similarly, we write this expression as 31 multiplied by 100, and this is our plus 26 minus 4. Okay, so now you see here we have 100 is present on both of these terms. Okay, here you have 100 and here you have 100, and now we replace this 100 is equals to x. So here we just substitute x is equals to 100. So when you substitute x equals to 100 in the above equation, so that our above equation is written as in this form: 5 into 31x plus 24, and here you get 31x plus 26, and this is minus 4. Okay, so here we have these two simplified form. So here we multiply these two factors. So when we multiply these two factors, it is written as 5 into, here we multiply 31x by this 3x, and it is written as 31x is multiplied by 3x. Similarly, we multiply this term on this, and you get 31x into 26, plus we multiply this 24 on both of these terms, and it is written as 24 into 3x, and we have, this is 24 into 26 and minus 4. Okay, so here we need some simplifications. So here we have little mistake, because this is over 31. Okay, so here you see that this is 31. So when we multiply 31 by 31x, and similarly we multiply this 31x by 26, similarly 24 is multiplied by, this is 31x. So here you see that when we multiply this 31 by 31, we will just get here 961x square, and after that we multiply 21 by 26, 31 by 26, then you easily get here 806x. Similarly, here you multiply this 24 by 31, so this is the simple traditional multiplication, and you easily get without the calculator. Okay, so you get here this is 744x, plus here you multiply 24 by 26. So when you multiply 24 by 26, you will get here 624 minus 4. So now here we need more simplification, and we write it as 5 into 961x squared. So we add these two terms, and you get 1550 into x plus 624 minus 4. And now you focus here and you see that this 5 is multiplied by each of these terms. And now here first, when we multiply this 5 by 961, then you get here 4805x square, and when you multiply this 5 on this term, 5 times of 1550, then this is equals to 7750x, and when we multiply 5 by 624, then you get here 3120 minus 4. And here we need more simplification, and now we back substitute the value of x, so that we know here our x is equals to 100, and we know about the square of 100. So when you take the square of 100, so you get x square is equals to 1 into 4 times of 0. Okay, so when you substitute the value of x and x square here, then we just add these zeros on these numbers, and you get 4805 and 40, and in this case we add these two zeros here, and in this case we subtract this value, and you get 3 1 1 and 6. Okay, so after this step you easily add these values by the traditional addition. So here when we add these three numbers, then you easily get the output is in this form. So our output is 4882811 and 6. So this is the our final answer in this question, and this is the final solution. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.